Welcome back to Building a Better Machine. It's day 4 of KodeKloud's Learning Linux track. I'm Desmond, and today we're going to create a service user account. So let's get started. So this seems simple enough. Need to create a username rows on app server 1 without a home directory. So Tony Iron Man. So we're gonna go SSH at SSH Tony at 172.168.238.10. Those mine's not the red. Useradd help useradd. So we need to create one without a home directory. -d home directory for this new account. No, we don't need a home directory. So we need to inactive. And to be perfectly honest, I've been at this for maybe 2 weeks. So this is all the Linux I've learned in 2 weeks. It's almost becoming second nature, I want to say. I'm not intimidated anymore. It was crazy is that in Windows, I used PowerShell all the time. But for some reason, I guess it stems from my college days that the intimidation of Linux. And back then it was terrible. I hated working with it, so I avoided it. Anyway, here we are, useradd. We need to do -m. Looks like here, do not create user's home directory. So capital M. Password, system, root, shell. Alright, let me make sure. The name is going to be Rose. The thing is, how do I check if the account was created? Because most of the commands I received were to list the users was that you had to list the password directory. Oh, well, the sudo you realize that, the sudo you know. Okay. List accounts with UIDs within a specific, okay. So I guess you can list it by UID. Service accounts are generally defined as system accounts with UIDs below a certain threshold, commonly 1,000, and are often restricted shell, like there's rows. So, oh, of course they will have a password. They be in the password directory. Silly man. They won't have the home directory. Okay. You know what, let me verify. Yep, -M. And assign non-login. So this is verify the user creation. I see home rows. I don't like that. It's been dash. What is that? Sudo useradd. To all I'm gonna trust it because this is gonna ruin my streak if it's not right. Oh, we're done. Until next time, I'm looking at the next challenge. I'll probably pick this up tomorrow. Tough stuff, but rewarding stuff. We're building a better machine one day at a time. And until next time, have a good one.